going to solve one more multi-step inequality for 7th grade. This one has a few little problems in it that causes students to miss it, and I want to try to make you aware of it so that it doesn't happen to you. All right, I'm going to distribute the 0.5 times everything in the parentheses. And 0.5, remember that's a half. Half of 8 is 4. Maybe you realized that, maybe you did not. In case you did not, I'm going to come over to the side and multiply 0.5 times 8, just to make sure that we're on the same page. 5 times 8 is 40, carry the 4. 8 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4, and I need one place behind the decimal, so I need to come over one place here. So that's the reason it's 4. Place it right up under that 8. Then 0.5 times y is 0.5y. Write down the rest of the problem. Okay, now to get this y alone, I need to get rid of this 4. So I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. I'm going to add and keep the sign, so that's -7 is less than 0.5y. Okay, so now I need to get rid of the 0.5. It's being multiplied by y, so the opposite would be to divide both sides by 0.5. I am dividing by a positive, so I will not turn the inequality around or swap it because I did not divide. I'm going to get a negative answer, but I'm not dividing by negative, so do not turn it around for that. Now, we will read it backwards and change it, but let's go ahead and divide 7 by 0.5. -7 divided by 0.5. I'm going to put a decimal here, move that over 1. That 0.5 becomes 5. And then when I bring a decimal over, I'm taking 5 into -70. I know my answer is going to be negative. That's not a reason to turn that inequality around, okay? Now, if you're trying to figure out, well, how many times does 5 go into 70, and you're not really good at your multiplication tables, you might have to start off like, well, 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 12 is 60. 5 times 13 would be 65. 5 times 14 would be 70. All right, so there'd be no remainder now. So I have a -14 is less than y. Now, as I said, don't turn that around. You got a negative answer, but you did not divide by negative. But I do have to rewrite it or read it backwards. So y is greater than -14. So many people make mistakes with those ideas. So I've got me a -14, a -13, and a -15. An open circle, a -14, and I want to shade to the right. Try it yourself and see if you can get it.